Namaste, welcome to Rasmita's kitchen. Today we will make a recipe atta burfi, that is wheat flour burfi. Let's start how it makes. Take 1.5 bowl of atta, that is wheat flour. Firstly, heat the kadai, put the wheat flour and fry it for 5 to 7 minutes till the aroma comes from the wheat flour. Then take 3/4 bowl of desi ghee and put gradually in it, don't put at a time, and fry it in a low medium flame. We have to fry till the ghee release from the wheat flour. That particular texture we have to fry it. It will take 10 to 15 minutes. Flame should be low. Again put a small quantity of ghee and fry it for 5 to 7 minutes. How it looks, the texture becomes like this. We have to fry more 10 minutes. When the ghee release from the atta, that particular stage, see how it looks, ghee release from the atta properly. After that we switch off the flame, don't fry it and keep it aside. Then take 3/4 bowl of amul powder and mix it properly and keep it aside. For making sugar syrup, heat a pan, put 1 bowl of sugar for 1 bowl of water and allow to cook for 5 to 7 minutes. No need to cook for one stain consistency, and put the cardamom powder. Just a stickiness appears in between the fingers. At this stage, switch off the flame. Then put the sugar syrup in the atta mixture and immediately stir it and cook it till like a smooth dough form, like this. After that, switch up the flame, and then the atta dough transfer into a plate or cake tin, whatever you want. The plate should be greased with a ghee and then transport and spread all the sides with the help of spatula. Then put a handful of dry fruits. I have taken some cashew nuts, fresh almonds and fresh pistachios. Whatever you want, you take. Just pressing with the help of spatula like this, and leave it for 30 minutes for set under the fan. After 30 minutes, you have to cut like a burfi or whatever you want a shape. After that, The atta barfi is ready to eat. Hope so you enjoyed this recipe. If you like my video, please do subscribe my channel, hit the like button. Thank you.